Alright, what's up guys? Quick video. I gotta wait for bye. I have to wait for lawn land to open. Basically, so my John Deere is self-propelled from the back, right? And this wheel stopped. I mean, it didn't stop. It still spins, but it's not as powerful whenever it's on the grass. Like, it starts turning like one way because the other wheel's spinning faster than this one, or yeah, it's getting more grip. So I was like, damn, I'll probably need a new wheel. That's why, because I see that this is cracked right here. So I'm not sure what the problem really is, but I went ahead and took off the wheel, and I'm just cleaning back here because I think it might be this gear had too much buildup in the middle of it, that it was basically like a round circle. That's how built up it was. I just now started cleaning it, but basically, like, take all this stuff out, and we'll see how it runs after that. This might be the problem, might not, but it's worth a try. If it is the problem, then save myself some money. But if not, lawn land opens at 9. I gotta wait for them to open till I can start. But I got a few lawns. I got an acre today to mow. It's one of my first acres. I don't usually do acres because, one, I don't have a freaking zero turn or riding mower, but two, I like to stick to small yards. That's my thing right there. Small yards is my thing. You make some money out of some small yards. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna clean that out pretty good right there. Now just gonna put this wheel back in, and hopefully that's all. Let's see. Alright. Shit, where'd I leave the pin at? Oh, here it is. So yeah, let me see. Okay, so before I put that on, man, I really hope it could be the belt. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna go ahead and clean this stuff out and put the wheel back on, and hopefully that works. Alright guys, well, I just tested it, and seems that it got a little better, but I don't think that's the problem. Man, what could it be? It might be these bands. Hola. I might have to open this up and see if I could take a look at the bands, see how well they're operating. But let me open that up and show you. This is a 8mm socket. But yeah, guys, you know what I'm saying? This is the perks of working for yourself. I don't have to wake up super early. I can start my lawns whenever I want, depending how much work I have. And honestly, right now, I don't have like, you know, a bunch of work, but I have enough work to where I'm making, you know, like, I guess you could say it's like I'm getting paid full time, but I'm only working part time, you could say. Well, I guess it's full time also because, you know, I'm always doing something with my lawn or, cleaning up around the garage and stuff. But, I mean, I enjoy doing these things, and, I enjoy cutting grass, so, you know. It's missing one on that side. Let me get this off real quick. Oh, would you look at that? Look at this thing. It looks weird. Never seen something like this. So why is it that my freaking wheel... Look, this thing broke. I forgot to show y'all. The striping thing ripped off the other day. I should look for one off of an old mower and put it on there. But, when you open your mower like this, take advantage and clean it all out. I'm gonna do that here in a minute, but I want to find out what's wrong with this. I'm about to turn it on and see how it runs. Let's see. Why is it running? Let's see. When I pull this handle, this little mechanism over here goes into action. So what does this do? Guys, I'll have to figure it out. Is this loose, or what does this go to? This goes to this. I don't think this is working. This is probably not working right here. That's why. Let's see. Damn. What the fuck? How can I figure this shit out? That's what it is. It's one of these. There's two of them. One for the left wheel, one for the right. Look at this. Just gotta follow this shit. Fucking look at it. So this one and this one. Okay. So this one controls the right, I guess. And this one controls the left. This is the one that's acting up. I think it's this. Look how loose this thing is, dude. It's supposed to pull on it. How the fuck do I tighten that shit up? Man. I don't know, guys. What do y'all think? What should I do with this mower? Should I just fucking sell it? Or should I try to have someone figure it out? Let me know in the comments below, because honestly, I hate fixing my shit. But I hate paying for it more. So, I mean, I don't mind paying for it, someone that knows how to do it and how to fix them, but I just don't like paying like at a shop. Like if I take this to Lawn Land, they're gonna charge me like $80 a fucking hour. They're probably gonna say it's gonna take like 8 hours. So I mean, like they're gonna charge me for like 5 hours or something, or maybe even a full day. So, fuck, dude. Honestly, I don't know what to do with it. I think the only thing I could think of is just buy a new throttle cable for it, for this one, but I don't know if that's even really the problem here. So let me know what you guys think. Should I just sell this motherfucker for like, I don't know, try to sell it for 100 and just go from there, see what they want to give me? I mean, it's a good mower, very great motor, fucking super powerful motor. I love this mower. Damn, I should fix it, honestly. But let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.